Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Today's video is a very special video. It is a celebration of friendship, and although we will be exchanging gifts, we are actually doing Secret Santa this year because it was just a lot easier. But all of the people in this group are true friends, you guys. We have been friends now probably 3 years plus, and they're all very special to me. When I first started doing YouTube, I had no idea that I would make friends like this, and I'm so thankful that each of you are in my life, and I'm very humbled today to receive this package from my Secret Santa, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. But before I do, I would like to read a poem to you about friendship. So I came across this little poem, and it's very simple, but it really did leave an impression upon my heart because each one of these people in this group in particular means the world to me. Everyone in this group has a special place in my heart that nobody else could ever occupy. I love all of these people in this group, and I just want to tell you guys that I feel so blessed and just so happy that I started YouTube because of the friendships that I've made. The friendships that I've made here on YouTube have meant the world to me. So before I get too rambly, I do want to say that all of the people in this group I consider best friends. So the poem goes like this. Best friends. To be best friends is a true gift. To share things together, to care and uplift. In good times and bad, the bond will endure. Whether happy or sad, the love will be pure. True friendship spans distance. None is too vast. True friendship spans time. Forever it will last. Whether living close together or being far apart, your friend is with you in your mind and your heart. And each one of these friends of mine, as I said, holds a very special place in my heart, and I cannot be more thankful to have you guys in my life. So I just wanted to say that because Christmas always does bring joy, and sometimes it brings sadness. And if you're feeling sad this season, just look around, because just the gift of life is everything, and the gift of friendship. So I just wanted to say that, and I wanted to read this poem because it really did speak to my heart, and I do love you all so much, and I thank you guys for being a part of my, I like to call it fam jam here on YotaStyle. And I'm feeling very overwhelmed right now because I just couldn't ask for a better outcome with YouTube. I have a very small channel. It's a very slow growing channel, but you guys, the friendships that have grown and blossomed in my heart because of this channel is more important than anything to me. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Okay guys, so before I do the unboxing, and here it is from my Secret Santa. I know that I'm not my super excited acting self, which that's not an act when I am like that. That's really how I'm feeling. Tonight I'm feeling a lot of different emotions, but I'm feeling very thankful. And I do often get white, not sad, but I do reflect a lot during this time of year about Christmases gone past and family that is no longer here with us, and that is why being in the now and enjoying opening this gift from a very special friend means so much to me. I just, I'm the kind of person that I can't really hide my feelings, and I don't want to come on here and act extra chirpy when I'm not feeling extra chirpy. I'm feeling loved, I'm feeling happy and content, but I'm also feeling a little nostalgic and maybe a little bit melancholy because I miss my dad and I miss my grandparents, and I miss a lot of people that haven't been around me this year at Christmas, and that's just how I feel. So, but I am very thankful for our friendships that we've made within this community, and it does go beyond the Gawddy group. That's just what we call ourselves because we all talk almost every day, you guys. Sometimes I don't join in if I'm busy, or sometimes Winnie's MIA, or you know, Gwenny MIA because she's working, but we're always there for each other, and that's what's important. So we decided this year to do Secret Santa, and if you hear Gus meowing, it's because he needs to get in there with Keith. Keith shut the door and he wants in the office with him. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this knife and open up the tape on the box. I'm very excited to see what's in here, and that's another thing that I want to say. Now, you know, a card is enough. And yes, we love nice gifts and we get excited, but the most important thing is the thought behind it. And I guess gift giving within our group, definitely it's our love language. We love to give gifts, all of us do. And we're all a lot alike, that's the thing. So, oh my goodness, I open it up to this beautiful Christmas paper with this card that says surprise. So I know who it is now, but I haven't known for a while. So my Secret Santa is Dawn. I had the privilege to meet her and go out and see her in Philly this year. What a beautiful card, Dawn. That is so, so beautiful. I was so happy to meet Dawn. I've met Autumn in person, but I need to meet Winnie, I need to meet Devin, and I need to meet Gwenny. So hopefully at some point I will, and the most wonderful thing would be if we could all be together. So one of these days, maybe we can make that happen. So this card says, joy, Merry Christmas, peace, wonder, and hope. That's exactly right. Those are very powerful words. And she says, guess who is your Secret Santa? I hope you enjoy this box of goodies. Love you like a sister, girl. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Keith and Gus too. You have brightened my days so much. You deserve all the best. Love, Dawn and Tiger. But I'm sure she wrote this before Henry came on the scene. So yeah, Dawn, you've brightened my days, and you're an uplifter. Everybody has their own gifts, I think, to bring to the table, and Dawn is definitely a listener and an uplifter. She's great at that, and she has really uplifted me. I can always talk to her, and she always encourages me to look on the bright side, and I say that all the time until it's you. You know what I mean? So anyway, you guys, I love the beautiful paper. Oh man, I'm excited. I really am. Because we all love our beautiful things. Oh, and there's quite a few. There's one that says, open me last. So, I'll open you last. All right, I'm gonna start with this one. This is the smallest one. Looks like it might be some kind of jewelry, just going by the box. Dawn has impeccable taste. She's a classy lady, you guys. She's educated, she's smart, and she has impeccable taste. I can't wait to see what, I love it. Oh yes, she knows me too well. They're beautiful sterling silver hoops. My go-to every day, and I have multiple piercings. So, and it is by this brand here. Argento Vivo. I don't know really how to say it, but these are a beautiful sterling silver classic pair of earrings. I love that. That's my #1 style of earrings. So thank you so much, Dawn. I love those. Okay, this is kind of a soft, squishy gift. Wonder what she put in here. And the paper's beautiful. Beautiful snowflakes. And you guys, Diana, who is Dawn's not long lost friend, but lifelong friend, sent me a beautiful ornament of a snowflake. And I love snowflakes because they're so individual. Okay, so this is a little something something from Coach. And I think it's one of my favorite Coach items. Let me get into the bag. I don't want to start assuming because I can't really see through this. Let's see what it is. Oh, I love it. I thought it might be. It's a bag charm. And you guys, the Coach bag charms, to me, for the quality and what they are the best. And look what it says. What could be more appropriate? I mean, what could be more appropriate? That is exactly right. Bad Girls Club, it's in purple, one of my favorite colors. Oh, Dawn, I love it. Thank you so, so much. That is so cute. Oh, I love it, Dawn. It's beautiful. It's very glittery and shimmery. Okay, that's great. All right, so here's another gift in another small box. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, I see it already. I see it already. She knows me. Dawn knows me. And I can't wait to see what everybody else got from their Secret Santa. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Okay. Thank you. She knows that I collect anything Bob Ross, because if it weren't for Bob Ross, I wouldn't be painting today. Well, I might, but he really did give me a lot of inspiration in my early years. And this is a little paint by numbers Bob Ross set. This is adorable. I love it. I love it. I think you and Diana must have been in cahoots, because Diana got me the Bob Ross. Well, I can't open it. Well, it's on a little easel with all these little paintings, and I'm definitely going to paint them and put them up on my shelf. But anyway, I think they were in cahoots together because they both got me something Bob Ross. All right, there's one more gift, as if this wasn't enough, and she sure did do a nice job padding this box. Some of the, you could work for Louis Vuitton, Dawn, because they don't do such a great job. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's some kind of a book. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. Okay. You guys, I love this. How beautiful is this? I've always wanted to paint her portrait. Dawn, these are amazing gifts. You could have just stopped with one, but she just keeps going on. And then there's the last gift. Dawn, you naughty girl. You need a Bad Girls Club. Everybody, all of us need this, you guys. We all need this. If we ever meet, we're gonna get shirts made alike. It would be great if we could all meet up in Manhattan. So this one says, open me last. I love my gifts. Okay, what could this be? What have you done? You little, uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's in an orange box. Dawn, no. Oh. I'm scared. Okay, you guys, I'm opening it. I'm gonna open it. Oh my goodness. Dawn, you need a spanking, okay? And I'm sure Winnie would be glad to oblige. Oh my God, Dawn. She got me the blue bracelet, the one that matches my brown ones, to go in the middle. Okay, you do need a spanking. I love it. And see, this one, it's blue, it has the brown, it has kind of a light olive color there, has a little bit of pink, and now my set is complete because this is the one that I was thinking of getting, and I don't even think I told her that. I think I just said I need a third one. Dawn, you little, oh my God, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, I love it. I love it. And I love to wear them up like that. I think that's a pretty look because when I wear the gold down here, or I could wear it in the middle of the brown ones. Oh my God, I love my bracelet. I'm gonna call you in just a minute. But then she threw in all these extras. You shouldn't have done that, but you guys, that's how we are in this group. We love to spoil each other. We really do. And you know, Devin is the baby of the group. He's our baby. So we do love to spoil our baby, and he's just the sweetest thing in the world. Everybody in this group is so special, such wonderful people that I never would have met had it not been for YouTube. So don't ever tell me that YouTube is not a real thing, that I'm living in a pretend world, as I've been told, because I started out doing this for a hobby, and I started doing it with Keith, and he was my editor, and then he abandoned ship, and I just had already started meeting so many people, and by the first year I was ready to call it quits. But I'm just so happy that I stuck with it because of the friendships I've made, because I never would have met these fabulous people if I had not stuck with it. So you guys, all you subscribers mean so much to me. You guys are stuck with me for a while because I'm not going anywhere, and I'm hoping that 2023 brings us all even closer together, and that anybody watching this video and listening to my voice will be blessed, and that God will sustain you and bless you. And I just pray good things for everyone out there. And I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much to my dear Gawddy gang. Thank you so much, Secret Santa, my Dawn. I love my Dawn. She's my, I would say she's my sister from another mister, because I'm Greek, she's Italian, and I've told you guys this before. My dad would say, same Greek, Italian, same face, same race. So we're a lot alike in our backgrounds and our ethnicity, and I'm just super excited. And you guys, I can't wait to paint this, and I'll show you guys when I do. This is adorable. I will paint it and display it on my shelf in my office. I love everything you sent me, and I love you even more. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do go down to my description box, follow the links, and watch all of my friends and see who their Secret Santa was and how naughty their Secret Santa was this year. I love you guys so much. Thank you, and I will see you on another day. Peace.